Welcome. My name is Gary Clark and I'm Technical Manager in the Tax Assist Support Centre based in Norwich. I'm part of the technical team which supports over 200 franchisees who are based in 300 locations and who in turn support over 77,000 small business clients in the UK. The purpose of this short webinar is to guide you through the process of registering for your own personal tax account, as this will be required in order to make a claim under the Self-Employed Income Support Scheme. Now, you'll probably be used to your accountant doing most things for you, but these are very unique circumstances. And this is one of the very few occasions when your accountant will need you to interact with HMRC, albeit online. But it will be to your benefit, and there are other purposes for the personal tax account. For example, you can access and monitor your eligibility for state pension as well. So the first thing that I'm going to ask you to do is open your web browser and go to www.gov.uk/personal-tax-account. So this is the screen you should get, and you'll see the web address in the corner there. So once you've got that screen, just click Start Now, and it will take you to the next screen. So we need the fourth of these options towards the bottom, which is Create an Account. So select that, and then click Continue. So this will take you to this screen. This screen is slightly larger, but I've only given you the first option. So there's two options, either create a government gateway account or create a gov.uk verify account. So we're going to choose the first option, which is create a government gateway account. This will take you to this screen, which is really just a holding screen to confirm that you don't need a government gateway account in order to access more information about the coronavirus. What we're going to do is go down to the bottom there and click Continue to your account. Now, I appreciate you don't have an account at this stage, but this is what you need to do. So click Continue to your account. This will bring you to this screen, which will be the normal screen if you already have an account where you log in. What we're going to do is go down to the bottom and click Create Sign-in Details. That'll take you to this screen. So the first thing you need to do is enter your email address. So enter that there and click Continue. After you've entered your email address, what will happen is that a code will be sent to your email address. So you need to enter the code here, and what that code will do is confirm that that email address belongs to you and it's a valid email address. So enter the code there and then click Confirm. So it'll bring you to the next screen just to confirm that that email address has been confirmed. So on that screen, just click Continue again. On this screen, you just need to enter your full name, so your first name and your surname, and then click Continue. Next screen, you're going to need to create a password. So there'll be instructions on the screen about how many characters it needs. It does need at least one number, at least one letter, but it doesn't need to contain any special characters like some passwords do. So enter your password there and confirm your password. Make a secure note of that password and then click Continue. The next stage means that you're going to need to set up recovery for your account. So just click Continue on this screen. And what you'll be required to do is think of a recovery word. Needs to be between 6 and 12 characters, not contain any spaces or special characters, and not contain any numbers. So enter your recovery word there. Make a secure note of that recovery word, and then click Continue. You'll then be presented with your government gateway ID. There's just an example there, and it will also confirm that that government gateway ID has been sent to your email address. So you do need to write that down. So once you've got to that screen, just click Continue. Then you need to choose what type of account you need to set up. So there's three choices, and we're going to pick the first one, which is individual. And this will take us to the next screen, which confirms that you need to set up additional security. So just click continue there. And this will take you to a screen which you'll need to decide how you prefer to receive access codes. And you'll receive an access code each time you log in. The easiest way is probably to have a text message sent to your mobile device. So once you've chosen your personal preference to go through that level of security, click continue. Assuming that you have picked a mobile device, it will ask if it's a UK phone number, mobile phone number, so we'll confirm that it is. So click yes and then click continue. You then need to enter the UK mobile phone number, and then you need to click on the button to send you the access code, which is at the bottom. The access code should be sent to your mobile. You'll find that these are sent out fairly swiftly, so you shouldn't be sitting around for too long. Once that code has been sent to whatever medium you prefer, you need to enter that access code and then click continue. This just confirms that you've set up the additional security required, so you'll arrive at this screen where you just need you to click continue again. You then arrive at a screen which confirms that HMRC need to confirm exactly who you are. So we'll just click continue there. So here you need to enter your details of first name, last name, national insurance number and date of birth. So once you've entered those details, again click continue. Then you need to choose a way for HMRC to identify you. The screen you get here will depend on your circumstances. So in this particular case, this person can be identified using either payslips, multiple choice questions based on the credit file and credit history, information from the passport or information from their P60. So again, it's personal preference. Make sure you've got access to the information and then select one of those and click continue. Once you've been through that process, you should arrive at a screen which confirms that your identity has been confirmed. So once you get to that screen, again, click continue. This is another screen which you need to answer a question about how you prefer to continue to receive information from HMRC. So things like requests for tax returns. So either through your online account or by post. So that will be your personal preference. So just click which one you would prefer and click continue. And this really sets up your personal tax account. So you should arrive now in your personal tax account. So what we'll do now is just quickly run through how you re-log in to that account. So assuming you've already logged out, this is the screen you need to arrive at. So you, again, go back to www.gov.uk/personal-tax-account in order to sign in. So we need to click on Start Now. And then you'll need to prove your identity to continue. So we're going to go to Sign In with Government Gateway because that's the account that you've set up. So once you've selected that, click continue. Then you'll arrive at this screen. So your Government Gateway user ID will have already been emailed to you, and you'll also have a secure note of your password. So enter those two pieces of information and click sign in. Whichever medium you've chosen for your security code to be sent, you'll receive that access code. We chose a mobile device, so you need to get the access code from there, and it shouldn't take too long to arrive. You need to enter the access code just there, and again, click continue. And there we go, we're back at the same screen where you've logged into your personal tax account. So that concludes today's webinar on setting up your personal tax account. If you do have any questions, please contact your local tax assist accountant who will be able to assist you.